Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log in to your Liberium Crypto account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in liberiumcrypto.com and click on enter. Now, you will be directed to official homepage of Liberium Crypto. At the top right corner of the screen, you can see sign in button. Click on it. After that, a login page will appear on your screen. Now you need to type in your email address which is associated with your Liberium Crypto account and your password here. After typing in your information, you can click on sign in button to log into your Liberium Crypto account. If you want to save the information on this device, you can click on this box here. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on forget your password link and follow the procedures to recover your password. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.